this is the, what's it called, the blender. This, still trying to, let's figure this. Oh, Corey. Okay, oh, okay, you have to lock it. Okay, I got it. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Happy New Year everyone. Once again, Happy New Year. Okay guys, today we are going to be unboxing. Yes, we are going to be unboxing today. I have my Ninja Professional Plus Blender Dual, okay? This is my new blender and I want to unbox it with you guys, okay? Let's see what is inside. As you can see in the picture, and okay, this is the picture by the side. You can blend smoothie, make ice cream. Yeah, this, it came with two cups, okay? It came with 2 cups, extra cups. Yeah, I bought this from Sam Club, okay? I got this from Sam Club and I'm here to unbox it with you. I got it for about 3 weeks now. Yeah, I decided to make a video. I was like, okay, before I start using this thing, I must unbox before I start using it, okay? I need to use it now. I want to make a video so that I can share it with you guys and I start using my blender, okay? Okay guys, let's open it. How you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing good. If you are new here, you're welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video, okay? Okay, that's the top. Open it like this. On top, we have this manual. Then let's take this one. That on the cover. This is the cover. And this is the, what's it called, the blender. Let's put it here. The blender, and it has another inside. Let me show you guys inside. Does it? I think we have the, okay, this one of the cup. This one of the cup. For smoothie. This is another one. Okay. Okay. I think, and this is the base. Okay, let's put this down. Okay. Kind of heavy. Oh, okay, this is the cover of the, oh, it came with extra cover. Okay, this one is for blending kits. If you want to change this to a sippy cup, you can use this extra cup. Okay. That's it, guys. Oh, it's stuck. Whoa, it's like a magnet. Okay. Let me this cup. This one of it, and this is the other one. Okay. Okay, this one is a cup. This is another blender. Okay. I think you can replace, maybe after blending with this, you can just take this cover there, like, and just put it. Let me see. Yeah, it works. And just for your smoothie. Okay, that's good. Not really bad. This one goes back. Wow. Then this is the, what is this one? Let's take this one. Oh. Okay. This is the blender. Okay. Let's try this. Okay, this one can come up. This is the blade. Wow. Are they pops? Okay. It's like this. Okay. Read this. Still trying to. Let's figure this. Oh, Corey. Okay. Oh, okay. You have to lock it. Okay. I got it. You have to lock it. Then the cover. This is the cover that goes with it. This is the cover. Push, release, and lift handle up. Okay, you push. For you to lift the handle, you have to push this and take this one up. Okay. What about to put it up? You have to push it away. Okay. What about if you want to put it down? Hey. Now I'm not going to break it. I don't want to break it. Then how do you put it down? Okay, let me just leave that to before. I have to read the manual. Oh, okay, you have to put it on top of it before it can go down. Oh my goodness, village woman. Okay, I got it now. Okay, wow. I love my new blender. I love my new blender. This is the extra cup. For you can just blend your smoothie and just drink it like this. I'm so excited. Let me see if there's any what is it called? Malfunction, or if there's any crack. If not, I will just return it. I still have my receipt. Okay, there's no crack. Everything looks okay. Everything looks okay. Everything looks good. There's no crack. You have to check if there's any dent. Everything looks good so far. I think everything looks good. Yeah, everything looks good. You know, you have to shake it properly. Yes, my new blender. The manual. Me, do I have to read the manual? Maybe later, after the video, I'll read the manual. It's smoothie, ice crush. Yeah. Let's be okay. Okay, I'll read that later when I want to use it. That's it, guys. This is my new blender. I have my new blender. It's the new blender. Thank you so much, guys. And it was affordable. The price was good. Yeah. This is our new blender. What do you guys think about the blender? It's nice, isn't it? I can't wait to use it. Then my first use, I'll show it to you guys how it goes. First of all, I want to try it with smoothie, okay? I want to make some carrot and apple juice, okay? I'll share it with you guys. I'll share it with you guys later when I'm done. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you guys like my new blender. I can't wait to use it with you guys, okay? I can't wait to share it with you guys whenever I'm using it. That's it, guys. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe, okay? And if you are watching this from Facebook page, please don't forget to like and follow my page. I appreciate every one of you guys. Bye. Bye. My new blender. Yeah. I can't wait to use it. Bye, guys. Mwah.